If your prospect feels like they're being sold to, you've already caused resistance. That's why consultative selling helps you close more deals. If you listen to what I share with you in these videos and take notes and then apply it to what you're doing, you will close more sales, have more fun, and create more trust very, very quickly. There was a sales rep in a training program I had, and his name was Mark. And I told the whole audience, of course, that we were going to talk about consultative selling. He raised his hand. He was a very outgoing gentleman. He said, Neil, I've never heard of consultative selling. Tell me more about that. So I went on to tell Mark and the rest of the audience that consultative selling was about asking questions to learn more about your prospect, the challenges, the opportunities, their fears, their goals, all of that in one conversation. Now that could happen in 5 minutes, or it could happen in 45 minutes, like a previous video I shared with you. And Mark said, well, I'll listen, but I've never heard of this before. And he had been in sales for 25 years. He was taught to show up and pitch a product, whatever product of the month that was. Everybody paid attention and took notes and interacted and really collaborated with each other, which was really awesome. I always give my phone number when I do a training program. And a week later, Mark called and he said, Neil, this is really cool. I applied what you taught me about asking questions, which I'd never done before. So it was a little awkward at first. And I met with somebody I'd been calling on for 4 years and had never sold anything to her. And while I asked questions about the challenges and the opportunities and what she would really like to provide a solution for or find a solution for, I ended up selling $50,000 in products that we had that actually fit her needs. He said, this is just really great. And it was so easy to apply. So I just want to thank you on that. That's my point to you. If you apply what I teach you, I know for sure you'll close more sales. It may take you a little time to create this newer habit, but I know after 40 years of doing consultative selling and selling more than $1 billion through my clients, this works better than what you're doing now. Don't pitch products. Ask better questions.